Hey guys, this is Raw Trading Challenge. This is just a quick breakdown of a trade I took not too long ago. I'm going to be explaining why I took the trade, my thought process, what time frame I took the trade on, and we officially start tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So for those of you who are following me on this trading journey, you would have saw that I took the trade at this point here, and my first TP would have been the swing highs here. That would have given me about $3 or something like that, and then I also explained that targeting the swing high here would have given me about $14. Starting with $20, we're trading V25, and I think the smallest lot size is 0.5 or something like that. So that's just a short quick snap. So we're going to get into it right now. So the first thing I did was to identify my lows on the daily time frame and my highs. So swing low, swing high, the highest point. The first thing that I'm trying to do is identify the direction in which the overall market is going. Just by looking at this, I can tell that the market is in an uptrend. Why the market is in an uptrend is because we have our lowest point here, and the next lowest point, which would have been our higher low, is this point. Once you have that, you know that you're in an uptrend. Next thing I do is I zoom in. Alright, so I'm focusing on this area here. The next step I do is I go down on our 4-hour to get a better view of what I'm looking at. So now that we can see clear structure at this time frame, I start to use my trend lines, my support and resistance, and that's basically it. Alright, having the knowledge of market structure, that's all I do on the 4-hour. So using the trend line, we know that we're in an uptrend, just like this. Alright, we're in an uptrend again because we're making higher highs, higher lows. Higher highs, these are internal structures, but still, right, because it's higher than this high, higher low, and higher low. So again, we know that we're in an uptrend and we're expecting price to push. At the time that I took this trade, this wasn't happening right now. We were somewhere right here, I believe. So at this stage, I want to identify my support, which is here. So this area here is a support turn resistance area. Right, and what I mean by that is that this was a resistance area. Price were fighting to break through, and this price range resisted the market, so the market pushed back down. The market finally break through it, and now it's become support. So this is a very key level. Right, now that I identify my key level, I went down to the 1-hour time frame, and this is where I really want to take entries on. Alright, so I won't take any entries until price comes to my key level on the 1-hour time frame. So right now I would not be taking any trade right now, because that would be crazy, because I'll be taking trades in no man's land. You understand? Although this in itself is also a key area, because we have a lot of rejections here. So I'm expecting price to at least have a reaction here. We don't know yet, so we'll just wait. So as I was saying, at the time price was in my key area. I think it had came into the key area and pushed away. So price was in this area here. I went down to my 15-minute time frame, and then I further did more market structure. So just by looking at this, you see that price push up, and it was respecting this level. So this is just a simple break and retest strategy, if you don't want to call it that. So this is a simple break and retest. So at the time, price was just in this little box here. So this was price here. So it didn't shoot off yet. So as you can see back here, and I had entered right here, right into my key level, right? I call it the OB. While I was doing that, I saw that price was in a downtrend. Price broke structure, creating a market structure shift or a change of character, which indicated me that price were no longer trending down, it's going to trend upwards. So my confluences were key levels, respecting key levels. We get a market structure shift, and we're getting some rejection off of the market structure shift. So zooming in, this is exactly where I took my entry for longs. I had a very tight stop loss here, and we're targeting my first target again was the top of these highs, which would have given me about $3 for those who are following me on this journey. And then my next TP again would have been the swing high, which would have given me about $14, starting from $20. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for following me on this journey. Leave a like, comment, ask your questions. I'll try my best to answer them. So this is basically why I took my entry, what time frame I took my entry on, and my process.